I don't think visitors are used to getting to play in the artwork. So I think this is going to add a really dynamic element to the way that people see the museum, being able to touch the work, being encouraged to touch the work. Not all of it, but the bean garden.
The Museum of Fine Arts St. Petersburg has spilled the beans with their new installation.
And it's just a pretty incredible sensation. A little bit like walking on the beach, but also a little like a foot massage in some ways. It's interactive, and it's really about seeing and hearing things in an unusual way.
It serves a special purpose for those who choose to partake in it.
There's almost like this Zen calm that kind of comes over you. At times, other people get a bit more rambunctious.
2,500 pounds of Great Northern beans is what it took to make this dream of Allison Knowles come to life.
Allison Knowles, the artist, she's interested in the nourishment and the comfort that comes from food, and also its ability to bring people together. So we hope that there's, maybe even a sense of camaraderie that comes over someone when they enter the bean garden.
This installation is bringing a new look and feel to art.
It really is a pretty unique experience.